Hi guys, if you're interested in making some extra money from home, I have a super interesting opportunity that you can get started with literally today. So, the opportunity is called Userlytics. It is a service that connects regular people with companies, and basically you will test websites and apps and also give your feedback on different products and services so companies can improve. So here is what the website looks like. Basically, you can sign up on your phone or on your desktop and you can complete the test. They will capture your screen and your microphone as you talk through what you're doing. And then sometimes it'll even capture what's on your camera. If you do it on your mobile phone, they'll just capture your screen and also your microphone. So if you're interested in signing up, I'll walk you through that. So you can just go to the sign up webpage. You need to be 16 years or older. As you can see, it's available in different countries, and you can sign up, like I mentioned, on your phone or on your laptop or desktop. Once you sign up for an account, you'll be able to fill out your profile by confirming your email address, and you'll also answer some demographic questions similar to signing up to like a survey website. They just want to know like your income level, your education level, like your ethnicity, where you're from, and that stuff, so they can match you with tests that are appropriate for you. So just some things to note: it is free to sign up. I feel like I already mentioned that. You can use your phone or your desktop, and it can be a Mac or a PC, and it can be an iPhone or an Android. Apps are available on all those platforms. If you're trying to take tests on your computer specifically, you will need a microphone at the very least, and sometimes you will even need a webcam. If you're doing it on your phone, as long as you have like the working built-in microphone on your phone, you're good. I mentioned it's available in different countries. You need to be 16 years or older. I think that's about it for the sign up process. Also, they pay via PayPal, so you need to have a valid PayPal account that is verified. When you sign into your account, your PayPal email address doesn't need to be the same as your sign up email address. If you're worried about that, it can be different. I will say one of the downsides of Userlytics is there's not a ton of tests available at once. I feel like I only take about a couple of tests a month max. They will email you if there's one available. So you'll get an email that just says there's a new test available to you, and when you click the link, you will usually be directed to like this tiny survey that just has some additional questions just to make sure you are in fact eligible to do the user testing or app testing. And if you are eligible for it, you'll be directed directly towards the test, and you'll just confirm that your mic works, that your camera works. If you're doing it on your computer, if you're doing it on your phone, you'll just confirm that your mic works and everything, and that you can do the screen capture, and then you can get started. I will say the user tests are really short. Usually they're about 10 to 15 minutes long. I have done one that was like closer to 30 minutes, and I was paid accordingly. They're well paid, all the tests. They're super easy to do. And the tests kind of vary about what specific things you will do. I will say I did one for like a online jewelry store, and I just had to find certain items in the store and then say how easy or hard it was. There was another test that I took that was for an app, and I was just seeing, basically letting them know if I could also, once again, find certain things, if it was easy or hard, and how it looked aesthetically, like if I enjoyed the colors of the app. So super easy to do. You don't need to study, you don't need to like know anything specific. They really just want your honest opinion. So I'm going to show you my dashboard so you can see the tests that I've taken. So here are my current test invitations. I have one. I'm not interested in doing that one. And then I'll show you my completed test. So I just did one today. There you go. There's that one. And here are the ones that I've done so far. I've never had one rejected. So you can see I've done this is the 30-minute test I was talking about, and I was paid $30 for that. Some other ones, and you can see all the payments right there. Jewelry store one I was talking about, also $30. And on their sign up website, it does say you can be paid $5 to $10 to $15 or $20 or more, but as you can see, I've never had one that was just $5. They've always been a minimum of $10, and so I don't know why it says that. So like I said, this is very good pay for my time, especially since I can do it from the comfort of my like phone or computer. It's super easy to do, and you can see these little icons. These top three were on my computer, and then these bottom three I did through my phone. So there you go. You can see the missed invites. There are some tests I don't want to do. There are different types of tests. Like I said, There's the app testing, there's the website testing, and there also are some where it's like a live chat and you'll talk one-on-one with someone. I get super nervous and I'm super shy, so I'm not interested in doing those. So if I get invited to one of those, I usually just skip it. I'm too terrified. Even though, as you can see, the pay is really high, I'm too stressed. Can't do it, not my thing. So the next thing I'm just going to show you, just to prove to you that it's legit. This is my PayPal, and you can see this is the payments, my most recent payments that I've gotten, and you can see $20, $30, $10, all on the 17th, which is as I'm recording it today. And I'll go back to my dashboard. So those payments were for these top 3 tests that I took this month. So Userlytics pays through PayPal. As you can see, they don't pay immediately. They pay about every 15 days, so about twice a month. The only thing that sucks, as you can see from my payment screen, is that they send a payment for each individual test instead of one lump sum. Not a huge deal, but just something to keep in mind. So if you're interested in doing Userlytics, it's free to sign up. I will leave a link in the description below. It's super easy to use. They walk you through everything. And like I said, if you don't have a computer that you want to use, you can use your phone. If your phone isn't, working, you can use your computer or your desktop. The only thing that I've seen is you can't really use a tablet for any of these, so just something to keep in mind. If you're interested in other videos like this about making passive income and or making money from home, I would love it if you subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.